Zaliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland accuses Chief Minister N. Biren of inciting communal tensions by citing one group in organizing Gangai festival. 6 student organizations demand necessary changes in Manipur inner line permit system, rules and regulations to protect indigenes. And one-day state-level workshop at Lamyan Bashanglen organized by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR) stresses on issue of heavy weight of school bags. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Zaliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland has accused Chief Minister N. Biren of inciting communal tensions by citing one group in organizing the upcoming Gangai festival, which falls on January 8. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, President of the Union, Amukame, said that Zaliangrong Union has been organizing the festival from 2012 till 2016. He condemns the BJP-led state government for ruining the true essence of the festival. Amukame termed it unfortunate at the call of state-level registration to hold the festival, stating that the Tribal Affairs and Hills Department has issued a notification showing Chief Minister's approval given to Manipur Kabui Union to organize the festival. He said such inappropriate conduct will ignite communal tension within the Zaliangrong community. Amukame also mentioned that the High Court of Manipur already notified Azako and Zaliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland to jointly organize the festival on April 4, 2019. He warns that the union will take stern actions against anyone who tries to disregard the same.
State level Gangai Oibatar Rebedi, Zaliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Asin Oipam Thoi, Haina, 2020 when 16 power, Equi, Hazana, Pangtokre. Adudigi, BGP Gome Lapamatam the D, Azako, Haibaga, Union Asiga, Kanahalame, Loinana, Narang Makse, Tidigi Pilo, Tengnakre. Tengna Bamatamda, 11 December, Numita, Masi, Kabui Union, Pirambado, Mokweche process, Tauraga, Hairiba, Ani, Ase, Hana, guideline the same duna High Court order gi lairi ba poto tawthok khraga kabui union da pinana ba haina sip minister na kauri se sidi td gi minister gi da file thi ure adum haina tawradi hana gi su court order su laitaba adik claim su tawdaba hana apply su tawdaba handak December 11 da tawri ba pot aduna sak khraba tardi Zaliangrong makhai che masi ga ngai loi khraga akoi masen khatna duna lairi ba women isina immunity di lairi duna khatna hanmagi masa wereme maduma
6 student organizations of the state, AMSU, MSF, Desam, KSA, SUK and AIMS have demanded the state governments to make necessary changes in the recently published rules and regulations of the inner line permit system as it lacks various elements to protect the indigenes. Leaders of the 6 students organizations held a press meet regarding the same at AMSU office today. Speaking to media, AMSU President Peter Lystrom demanded inclusion of a base year and clear-cut definition of indigenous inhabitants and permanent residents of Manipur in the guidelines. He also expressed a disagreement with the exemption of family members of central government employees, laborers and armed forces from the ILP regime. Peter demanded a clear definition of who these family members are. He asserted that a memorandum regarding the same will be submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Chief Minister Nongthom Biren.
Non-local sing, non-indigenous miyama layram giwa miyam sing adusu base year gi matung inam hoi identify tawnabagi base year sima hakodamni pur inner line permit chatnare na haragasu sigumol lam land protection gi provision amta yaudaba sa sigi land protection gi provision lam laibas yadi haibagi provision hakodamni loina non-local sing, non-indigenous sing da sigum laba khogi political right bol lepagi amadi bot thada bagi sigum right se piro dabni
member na mogi family member se kenogi central government ki service to bo mi singi family member sing se manipur la ko inner line permit gi exam to ne na yaw bani ba hari bo se family member hai ji kana kana ho dino magi kayam nakna mari mata magi family se kana kana ho dino 그러다 아까나 제 미조람 계제 컴페어 거든 미조람들이 패밀리 멤버 하라가 가나 패밀리 멤버 어디노세 뭐 잡다는 무슨 빨래
National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR) along with Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) held a one-day state-level workshop on the issue of heavy weight of school bags at Lamyamda Shanglen in Palace Compounds today. Experts including ZEOs and teachers of various schools and colleges stressed on the academic and physical burden brought upon students due to carrying of heavy school bags during the technical sessions of the workshop. Speaking to Impact News, senior technical expert of NCPCR Northeast Cell Education Division, Paresh Shah, assured that NCPCR will organize such a workshop across the country and recommend necessary measures to ease the burdens facing the students.
So first of all, we would like to look at the core areas of challenges and gaps, because there is some movement, I realize, that has happened, which is in positive direction in Manipur. We would like to see that, and based on it, we will try to give step-by-step significant and concrete recommendations, and we will surely share it with the state government also. So we will first, there is an open house, there is a deliberation session wherein the ZDOs and others are going to be talking about it. We will take it from there, and then we will document the recommendations and we will share it with you as well.
One-day training cum workshop on basic human rights was held at SK Women College in Lambol Bishopur district today. Department of Human Rights and Human Rights Studies Center of SK Women College organized the event under National Human Rights Commission. Professor S. Mangi stressed on human rights and Gandhian perspectives of man at the technical session of the workshop. Chairperson of Manipur State Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, teachers and students of the college took part in the program. Panthoibi Group of Companies and its subsidiary companies held Team Convention 2020 at Classic Grant in Chingmerong today. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, PHFCL, a subsidiary of Panthoibi Group of Companies, Atokchom Hemo, said that Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited has been providing subsidized home loans to urban and rural areas under Prime Minister Awas Yojana PMAY since 2015. He further said that the company is making efforts to provide maximum home loans by 2020. TH Hemo added that the company also provides startup funds to budding entrepreneurs. He stated that the company has occupied a reputed position among finance companies of the country and is extending necessary help to the public in a lawful manner.
Panthoibi group of companies na koi miyam gi hena phaba thabak to mathang tawjarakanda magi expansion di housing si dam tadi across the country ni across the globe ni masin matam na purakado ba makhani matam na purak pa haje kanda koi team players singi hard work discipline adu ga muksu koi people gi support adu isor gi thawjan khudimak sidagi orakado bani sigi wakalon simak yang miyam da thamjari koi amtang di clean picture ama Masagi bagi loan pibagi karito bagi mayam musagi housing solution financial solution mayam sigi matang streamline tong thorok na bagi amakagni.
Editor of Ichal Express in the press release clarified that Ichal Express's today's head total shutdown against CAA in Manipur as a totally baseless and fake. One association named Northeast Unity Forum sent in a press release calling this shutdown, but it turned out to be a fake news. He has expressed deep regret about the misleading information. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar has assured that land disputes between Senapati districts Tungjoy and Naglen Kenja Keno will be resolved and approach road will be constructed at the earliest. He was speaking at the inaugural of two-day Tungjoy Glory Day celebrations held at Tungjoy village today. Yumnam Joy Kumar appreciated keeping their culture and traditions intact. Responding to the memorandum submitted to him by the villagers, a Deputy Chief Minister, Yumnam Joy Kumar, assured of constructing a community hall in the village and to upgrade Tungjoy Sub-Primary Health Center to a primary health center in the near future.
The dispute between Tungjoy village and the Kejakeno village fake district kuirba kenoni aina SP Senapati oringai matam dasu masigi problem si leidana kesin ani raktadi haiba dispute siga mari lena visit toke unfortunately ngasi babu masi settle tokdana lerame hojik su adum sigi problem si handak tasu thoke bane last cabinet te adu mamai cabinet tasu ekoina su sigi matang sing item moina natraga su discuss to kan da we all appreciated we all felt the necessity smaitona koi saiti ki su sigumba dispute labor area dadi koi saiti ki su darka hoiba lambi infrastructure na singba masi koi semba darka oi have said we all agree aduna sisu soidna ai pangthok na honagi.
Taking part in the event, Mao MLA cum PhD Minister Lo Sidiko said that Tungjoy village endeavors to keep peace and maintain the bond of unity with one another. He said that the village endowed with abundant cultivable land produces variety of agricultural products. Minister Lo Sidiko said Tungjoy Glory Day is being held every year, showing gratitude to the mother nature. He said top officials of the state government have started holding meets to resolve the prevailing land disputes between Manipur and Nagaland at the earliest. Various cultural and traditional events were held to mark the day.
They acknowledge the blessing of God to the village. This is an example for all people that the Tungjoy villagers are celebrating, observing this glory day to glorify God, that God has been good to them, and they are acknowledging and preserving the blessing of God to them. So in the next program, I assure that the inter-village railroad will be like top. I want to assure that from my side.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we're bringing you news on members of Worker Union Manipur visiting Kaibi village to encourage the villagers in making the village a plastic-free zone. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Following declaration by residents of Kaibi village in Senapati district to make their village a plastic-free village and to convert it into a tourist spot, executive members of Worker Union Manipur WOM have visited the village to encourage them. Speaking to media, WOM President W. Ananda lauded the Mao inhabitants of the village for their initiatives. He stated that WOM has been striving to make Imphal city and other parts of the state neat and clean. He assured that WOM will spread the experiences gained from visiting the village to other parts of the state. Speaking to media, convener of Kaibi Village Beautification Committee, Dr. Sahenni Loli, expressed happiness over WOM members visiting the village following declaration of the village as a model village by Outer Lok Sabha MP Dr. Lorho S. Fozi.
Kaibi village has been declared as a model village in 2019 during Shanghai festivals by our honorables MP Dr. Lorho Fozi. And now we have declared ourselves as a plastic-free village this year itself because we are confident that we have made the achievement that we have cleaned the village so far.
League of Kalo Patriots, LCP, is all set to organize 43rd Imoinu Festival 2020 at Wangkai Ningtem Pukri Mapal on January 7. Imoinu Festival Committee appeals to people to take part in the event being organized to bring peace, prosperity and wealth in the state. Speaking to media at the LCP office at Wangkai Ningtem Pukri Mapal today, LCP Vice President cum Chairman of the Festival Committee, Bijendrajit Telem, said that LCP has been holding Imoinu Ima Irat every year since 1978. He said that the ceremony will commence with Pena Yakai roll and offering of seasonal fruits and vegetables to the goddess early in the morning, followed by the main ceremony in the afternoon by taking the sacred fire from the Kangla fort. Bijendrajit Telem said that traditional songs and dance performances and lighting of candles around Ningtem Pukri Mapal will be the main highlights of the ceremony.
ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇ ꯍꯨꯝꯐꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯃꯣꯏꯅꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯆꯠ ꯁꯥꯖꯠꯁꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯩ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯆꯠ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯆꯠ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯦꯠꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯨꯜ ꯂꯤꯕꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯏꯅꯨ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯥꯜ ꯂꯤꯆꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯆꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯂꯤꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯃꯣꯏꯅꯨ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯥꯌꯣꯜ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯈꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯑꯈꯣꯝꯅꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤ ꯆꯦꯡꯐꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯅꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯨꯡꯒꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯑꯈꯣꯝꯅꯨ ꯆꯥꯛꯈꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯑꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯆꯦꯡꯐꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯐꯨꯡꯒꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯀꯠꯆꯕ ꯇꯝꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ
Laishramani Gaura Sangeet Academy, Thoubal Wangkhem held a condolence meet today to mourn the untimely demise of its former scripture reader, Kaisham Ibomcha, who passed away at 83 yesterday. Academy members paid 2 minutes silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. Late Kaisham Ibomcha, an awardee of Manipur State Kala Academy, Imphal, was also an approved artist of All India Radio, Imphal. A journalist team of Thoubal District Journalists Union has left Imphal today to interact with Manipuri diasporas living in Assam and Meghalaya. Wangjing Tentha MLA P. Brojan flagged off the team on the 4-day tour from Wangjing today. The team, comprising of 6 correspondents of various print and electronic media house of the state, will take part in the Irat Thauram of Khwairakpa Irel at Kashar in Assam. They will also visit the Meitei villages, Bolaganj in Meghalaya and Hojai Lanka in Assam to interact with Manipuri diasporas residing there. Manipur Dramatic Union in a press release informed that the union's play Swachh Bharat has backed the Best Play Award at the 4th Hunar Rang Mahotsav 2019 International and National Drama Dance Festival. Hunar organization organized the festival at Uttar Pradesh's Azamgarh from December 23 till 30, 2019. One-day free health camps were held at Boro Bekras Netaji High School and Notun Durgapur High School in Jiribam district today. Indian Red Cross Society organized a camp under the initiative of Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah. Diabetes, hypertension, dental and other general health checkups were carried out and free medicines were also provided to those in need at the camp. Around 100 people were checked up at the camp. Jiribam Deputy Commissioner M. Rajkumar and SP M. Mubi today inspected the shrine of Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Nongpok Ningthau ahead of Umanglai Irat Thauni Thauram. The shrine, which is commonly known as Narandhor Baba, is located in the middle of the Barak River at Lakhipur in Kashar district of Assam. Umanglai Irat Thauni Thauram will be held at the shrine from tomorrow. They also inspected the condition of the Zirimuk road. Members of Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Ngakshel Loop took part in the inspection visit. A team of Commando Thoubal arrested a man in possession of 11 grams and 200 milligrams of heroin number 4 near the oil pump of Lilong Uku Mathag in the wee hours today. Acting on a tip-off, the Commando team led by JEM MD Amin Khan along with volunteers of Yumkhai Farm Athletic Development Association Yada carried out search operations in the wee hours and seized the drug from 28-year-old MD Nasir Hussain, son of MD Abdul Halim. He has been handed over to Lilong police for further interrogation. Now the sports news. Second home match of Trau FC with Punjab FC of the ongoing 13 Hero I-League 2019-20 played at Imphal's Kumalampak main stadium today ended in a goalless draw, each securing 1 point each. Trau FC has secured 2 points so far, while Punjab FC with 9 points has booked the second position of the league's table tally. In their last league 6 league matches, Punjab FC emerged successful in 2 matches, lost in 1 and draws in 3 matches. Trau FC will now play against Neroka FC at Kumalampak main stadium on January 8. JYC Yairol Pokpi defeated HSC Kachar by 5-4 in the match of the ongoing first Morang Tem Dodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2020 today. All Zirbam Sports Association kicked off the tournament at Zirbam Higher Secondary School playground yesterday. RYC Ramzaizang will battle LHYC Lalpani in the next match of the tournament on Monday. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Zaliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland accuses Chief Minister N. Biren of inciting communal tensions by citing one group in organizing Gangai Festival. 6 student organizations demand necessary changes in Manipur inner line permit system rules and regulations to protect indigenes. And one-day state-level workshop at Lamyan Bashanglen organized by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. NCPCR stresses on issue of heavy weight of school bags.